Hey viewers, welcome to Civil Engineering Survey channel. Today tutorial is about importing civil 3D grading elements of road, contouring of hill, sliding slope of 1:1 ratio and 3D modeling of retaining wall in SketchUp. All process step-by-step guiding. Watch the tutorial to the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel and push the bell icon in this way next coming update notification show on your YouTube. Let's start. These all line including elevation on different grading slope of each contour line. The green line below I extracted from corridor in Civil 3D. When we exporting Civil 3D model to AutoCAD DWG format, first we save file. I want to save this file as name Civil Engineering Survey file in F directory. Click on Save to save it. Now click on Export to this file in AutoCAD format. Here we uncheck Layout. I need only model of AutoCAD. Now click on Export setting which version you want to export it. If you have 2010 AutoCAD, you can export it by the way you can change it. I select 2010 version. Now save this file in Civil Engineering Survey folder we already created. You can change suffix and prefix and OK. The Civil 3D drawing exported as AutoCAD format 2010 version. Now import grading contour lines to SketchUp. Click above on File and select Import. Also select the file which is in directory folder name we already know. All data of contour grading lines easily imported. These all data in SketchUp group. You can explode it, but I don't do this. I am working inside in group. These contour line in original elevation. Move the contour lines to the ground elevation but effect on elevation but not in grading slope. Weld above line which slope touching and delete extra lines. Creating contour mesh and grading slope from road to above lines of hill contour. Here we are going to use Sandbox. Vertical curve with grading slope in SketchUp. Watch it. We just assume here the retaining wall around the hill for purposing rock falling, preventing the heavy large rocks and for safety. Just using line tool to draw retaining wall with steps and with assuming height. And draw a slope line behind and back to more strong resisting force. We just modeling not a toe and foundation. Make sure the retaining wall perpendicular to road edge line which should be 90° perpendicular. Using Follow Me tool. And unhide the all geometry and using texture for stone wall. It's nice and great wall in SketchUp. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.